Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken and rice. First, gather your ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, 1 cup of rice, 1 onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Dice the onion and mince the garlic. Remember to rinse your rice under cold water until it runs clear. This step is crucial for fluffy, separate grains. Get ready for a delicious meal. Now let's get that chicken perfectly browned. Season your chicken breasts generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Sear the chicken for about 5 minutes on each side until golden brown. Then, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside to rest. This keeps it juicy. Next, we build the flavor for our rice. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed, then sauté your diced onion and minced garlic for about 3 minutes until fragrant. Stir in the 1 cup of rinsed rice and toast it for 2 minutes. This helps prevent stickiness. Finally, pour in 2 cups of chicken broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. Almost there. Carefully return the seared chicken breasts to the pan, nestling them into the simmering rice. Cover the pan tightly and reduce the heat to low. Let it cook undisturbed for 18 minutes. Once done, turn off the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the rice to finish steaming perfectly. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.